Hey, how's it going?
Hello. Hey, Christian. Hello to all our boxer friends out there as well. I hope you are all doing great heading into the spring and summer months. My name is Steve, and I am co-founder and CEO of Everything Boxer Dogs, and I have a very special guest to go over our newest product line. His name is Christian, and our team had a blast hanging out with their team in Orlando, Florida at the Global Pet Expo. But before I introduce Christian, Everything Boxer Dogs is known for our famous boxer sweatsuits, and we will now have 13 different colorways released by spring of this year. And with our over 1,000 sweatsuit reviews, we have shown that they help with the boxer being cozy and comfortable, and they looking so darn cute, of course. And we know that this product will bring even more comfort and calm into their lives if needed. And we've been expanding our product line and want to offer only the best products to our boxer community. And we know that EllePet CBD chews are just that. And I personally believe in CBD, and we have been looking for a vessel to deliver CBD to the boxer community for quite some time now. I needed to trust in it first, though, and because we sell it to our customers, we want to make sure that we use it on our boxers first. Hey, Christian,
How
thank
we
you for
doing?
joining us and talking to the boxer community today. It means so much.
Anytime.
Okay, well, how are you first? How's Portland?
Doing really good. Was great to be in Florida with you and learn more about the Boxer community. So we're so excited to work together and, add some extra support.
Absolutely. And we just heard he's from Portland. And what is your role within the company, Christian?
So elleVet Sciences is the first company to ever do a full clinical trial using hemp CBD and CBDA in dogs. So my job is to go out and communicate with veterinarians, pet parents, and share this research as much as possible in order to help as many dogs as we can.
Helping dogs. That sounds fun to me. But let's get right to it. Let's talk about the proven science behind the elleVet CBD chew products and why our boxer community needs to trust in this brand. We understand that your product has been legitimized through research studies and is the only CBD, CBDA proven to work in a clinical trial and is the #1 veterinarian-recommended CBD, CBDA product in the market.
So in 2018, elleVet published a groundbreaking clinical trial with Cornell University, where over 80% of the senior dogs in that study showed a dramatic improvement with their mobility. And we never sold a single product until that research was published. So this is a great solution for those senior boxer dogs looking for additional mobility support through their golden years.
I love it. We love our silver face boxers here, and 80%, that is fantastic results that we like to hear. American Kennel
Absolutely.
Club, yeah. American Kennel Club suggests to only use CBD products that meet 2 specific conditions, and I just want to confirm that ellePet meets them. Do you have the seal of approval from the National Animal Supplement Council?
We're absolutely certified by NASC, and it was great to see them at Global Pet as well.
Yeah. And then do you have a third-party certificate of analysis that includes potency on all your products?
Yes, so every bag of the ellePet chews is going to have a QR code linking to a COA. So take out your phone, take a picture of that, and you can know it's the highest amount of quality control.
Amazing. And how does your company stand by your product? And are there risks associated with taking these products? And if the boxer's dog seems to be could benefit from the product, how does your company stand by that?
So everything that is done is clinical research first. And along with those great suggestions by the American Kennel Club, another thing we recommend is, has the product been through a full clinical trial, a long-term safety study, and a pharmacokinetic study for dosing? And we've absolutely done all that to make sure we have the best product for your boxers.
Fantastic. And then is there a minimum age that is recommended to consume the product?
Although most of our boxers that love the product are those gray boxers, those senior boxers, absolutely no minimum age, so we can help some of the younger boxers with their calming support as well.
Okay. And boxers, of course, are known for their excitability, their high energy, their fantastic demeanor, they're rambunctious, they're silly, they're cuddly. Of course, they're super intelligent with just the right amount of goofiness. And some might actually call them a little crazy, but I'm just, we're crazy in love with them, and we'll have them for generations, I'm sure, within our family. How do you differentiate that normal excitability in the breed from being overly stressed, the thing that we're really worried about, or overwhelmed, where the CBD can really help.
And excited's okay, and we love that about boxers, but if they have some unusual behavior, pacing, shaking, hiding during situational experiences like their car rides, grooming, boarding, veterinary visits, then they maybe could be a good fit for our products.
Absolutely. We were just having friends over, and it's huge to use on our 2.5-year-old Storm, and then also the vet visits. It's definitely a huge game changer, and we absolutely love it. How long has CBD been around, and how long has it been in the pet industry?
Well, it's been around for a long, long time. The endocannabinoid system is one of the oldest systems in these dogs' bodies. But elleVets first started doing research in 2016, and it was really 2018 when that first clinical trial was published that these things started coming out and getting a lot of research to pet parents and veterinarians.
Great. And then, without geeking out a little too much here, Christian, how does CBD help the boxer dogs that don't get too much in the science? Maybe just talk a little bit about the cannabinoids, the terpenes, and the CBD for now, and the CBDA.
Absolutely. And, elleVet has all these different cannabinoids in the product. We're also going to have a lot of the acidic forms like CBDA and a lot of these terpenes that all work really well together. And the dog's endocannabinoid system essentially works to bring things back down to homeostasis. So this is, a great option for those dogs that need additional calming support. And we can really help them out.
Okay. And the chews contain peanut, right? But no wheat or soy, correct?
That's correct, yes.
Okay. Has there been any drug interactions that my customers would need to be aware of before giving to their boxers? I know shellfish allergies come up for me since I'm personally allergic to shellfish.
We really haven't seen any across the board, but it's always a great idea to discuss with your veterinarian before starting a supplement with your animal.
Okay. And then how is dosage determined? What kind of compliance or time frame is kind of required in order to detect a recognizable difference? And what are some of the expectations for boxer dogs taking the CBD chews for the first time? And what kind of changes are we looking for? And I say that out of the 3 products that you offer, let's start with elleMove. What type of boxer is a good fit for elleMove?
Well, I mentioned those gray boxers, those senior boxers that we absolutely love. That's really who this product is intended for. Maybe a younger boxer that's been through a soft tissue surgery, a TPLO, and is starting to slow down a little more. But for those senior boxer dogs, within the first week, they should be moving around a lot better, getting into the car easier, getting onto the couch, getting up the stairs. So we always want to see a noticeable improvement in those senior boxers.
Absolutely. And I know that the elleMove comes in packs of 31 pork flavored chews. How many packs do you suggest for boxer owners?
With these dogs in their golden years, this is something that they're going to stay on throughout their golden years. So there's 31 chews per bag, which should last about 2 to 3 weeks. I'd recommend grabbing at least 2 bags to start out.
Right, because they'll be taking it in the morning and at night, correct, with their food?
Yes.
Okay. And then let's talk about ElleCalm timeframes and expectations, and what type of boxer is a good fit for ElleCalm?
Well, we mentioned that excited boxer, and then that other boxer that does need some calming support. So maybe this is the boxer that has been home with you for the last few years, and now you're going back to the office and there's some separation issues. This is a boxer that always needs a little extra calming support and may always feel nervous. This is a twice daily supplement that they're also going to be on long term. We've been through a long-term safety study, so this is a great solution for that boxer.
Great. And then finally, the ElleCalm and comfort timeframes and expectations. I told you a little bit how we're using this with Storm, our 2.5-year-old. It's definitely a game changer for us. We love it. I know you said it's one of your favorites as well. What type of boxer is a good fit for ElleCalm and comfort?
And this is my absolute favorite product that we have, because this is just your tool in the toolbox for those days where your boxer needs a little more support. So this is something that they can take 1 to 2 hours before getting in the car on that long car ride, 1 to 2 hours before getting to the airport for the flight, or 1 to 2 hours before that grooming or veterinary visit. Noticeable change in behavior. And this isn't something that's going to have them sedate. They're just going to be a little more chill out during those experiences that don't necessarily chill them out as much. So
Okay.
you absolutely have something that's going to work very, very quickly. And 4th of July, this is a game changer for.
Yeah. Fantastic. And these amazing products are available at everythingboxerdogs.com starting tomorrow. I know we're just recording this now, but starting tomorrow. So please feel free to check out their website at elleVetSciences.com if you want to dive deeper into their amazing clinical trial results. Christian, this is going to give like an amazing amount of support and help to our boxer community and our boxer families out there. And we feel so blessed as a company to be able to work with your company. Thank you so much for your time. And I just need to say, if you are on the fence, don't be, because their research is proven and the product is a game changer, as we talked about, for stress, mobility, and cognitive support. So definitely get yours today. Christian, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. And everyone, make sure to share your success stories with Steve, because we love a great success story with this product. Thank you all so much. Have a great rest of the day.
Yeah. Okay.